Okay, in my last video, I told you about Benda Petronsky, the poor girl from chapter 5, The 100 Dresses, part 1. I was telling you that Wanda was a poor girl. She used to sit in the corner where Rub Boy sits, and nobody knew the reason for that. And when she comes and sits on that chair, nobody cared about her. The time when they cared about her, they thought about her, was outside the school hours. The student used to think about Wanda outside of school hours. At noon time, when they were coming back to school, or in the morning, early before school began, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more children would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. And that time the student used to wait for Wanda, especially Peggy and Madeline. Why they waited? To have fun with her. What kind of fun you will know further. The next day was Tuesday, as I have told you, Monday. On Monday, Wanda was absent. Nobody noticed about her. Next day was Tuesday. She was absent from school on Tuesday also. But nobody noticed her absence on Tuesday also. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, these are the two girls of Wanda's class. They used to sit front with other children who got good marks, and they didn't come from Bogan's Heights also. Their path was not full of mud. They noticed Wanda's absence. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. As I have told you, people judge the people around them with their position, with their physical appearance. So Peggy was also judged by in these traits only because she was pretty. She had many pretty clothes. Her hair was curly and she was the most popular girl in the school. Maddie, she was Peggy's closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. Okay, they had waited and waited for Wanda, but she did not come. Okay, both of the girls wanted to have some fun with Wanda, and she had not come. Means she was absent on Wednesday also. They were waiting for her that they will have some fun with her, but she had not come and they were late for school. And most of the time, these two girls used to wait for Wanda Petronsky to have some fun with her. Wanda Petronsky. Most of the children in room 13 didn't have name like this. Okay, room 13 is their classroom. So in that classroom, most of the children were not having names like that. They were having names easy to say. Okay, their names were easy to say. Like Thomas, Smith, Alan. And there was a boy and his name was Bounce, Billy Bounce. And the student thought it was funny. But for them, Petronsky was more funny. Petronsky was funnier than Bounce. Okay, so Benda Petronsky was the funny name for them. Panda didn't have any friends. Okay, she was not having any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. She always wore a faded blue dress that didn't hang right. Okay, she was having only single one dress, blue colored dress, and it was faded also. Okay, the color was drained from it, and it was not having proper fitting also. It was clean, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. Although Wanda was not having any friends, but lots of girls talked to her. Not they were having discussion, normal discussion. They used to make fun. They wanted to talk with her to make fun with her only. Okay, sometimes whenever she is in the courtyard watching the little girls play hopscotch on the worn hard ground, the girls used to come and surround her and asked her different kind of questions. And as I have told you, Peggy was above all. So, what kind of questions they were asking, you can see. Vanda. Peggy would say in most courteous, means most polite manner, Peggy would ask Vanda that, Vanda, how many dresses did you say you had hanging up in your closet? Okay, she would ask that how many dresses she is having in her closet. Closet, almirah. And Vanda would answer 100. 100! Exclaimed all the little girls incredulously. Means they were not believing, they were not having belief when Vanda answered 100 dresses. And the little girls who were playing hopscotch, they stopped their playing and listened their conversation. And Vanda would answer, yes, 100, all lined up. And after that, she gets quiet. What are they like? Then the girls would ask, all silk. Peggy would ask, I can bet, means मैं शर्त लगा के कह सकती हूँ. All will be silk. Yeah, all silk, all colors. Vanda would answer. Velvet too. Velvet, a dress material. Yes, velvet too. 100 dresses. Vanda would repeat stolidly. Means she has decided in her mind that what she had to answer, and she answered. All lined up in my closet. And they let her go. And after that, when she had not gone so far away, they would start laughing so loudly. Means this was the behavior of the girls with Vanda. Now, in my next video, I'll continue the remaining story.